Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the Fisher-Price first pushable car. As you can see, it has a really nice color combination. The car also has many buttons. There are many different lights and songs. And there are also 3 stages.
Level 1. Let's have some fun. The key makes the car go on and
The steering wheel
on
also
and off,
rotates.
on and off. The key.
The chair has a really cool bouncy feature, so toddlers can bounce up and down while driving.
That's the horn. Radio on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
Also, the handle or the backrest can be unclipped and put away if you like it. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!